Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Coin Lady channel. Everyone in the cryptocurrency community now knows that XRP price will skyrocket. Only the most ardent XRP haters could possibly believe that the currency won't experience massive price swings in the near future. In particular, in the near future, once we see clarity regarding the SEC versus Ripple case, which is resulting in fun headlines like a few of the ones I'm about to share with you here at the beginning of the video, here's one from the crypto basic top economist says XRP on verge of taking off in a big way. And that is a quote in the grandest sense. Another one from the crypto fundamentalists, the market will drastically change once XRP is no longer considered a security. Who, after all, doubts that this will occur? That XRP will be worth a ton more than it is right now is, like, the least best hidden secret in the world. So, in my opinion, it won't be too long. Here's another headline that should help bring XRP into focus. In South Korea, XRP is more widely used than any other altcoin. In light of this, I'd like to present you with some data and facts. I'm relieved that they address this. It's something I've mentioned occasionally over the course of many years. But, and I actually talked about this relatively briefly, I think within the last week or so, but South Korea was a significant contributor in pushing the price of XRP to its all-time high, near to $4 when that happened in early 2018. And that person's actions were the root of the problem. The fun part now begins. It has not disappeared. The demonstrations continue in South Korea. But before we go any further, let me say that I have zero experience in the financial sector. I'm not here to give you money advice. And you should not make any financial decisions based on what I write or say. As I record this video, I'm merely a hobbyist that enjoys making videos on YouTube on crypto-related things. Prices for excerpts at $0. 52 and Bitcoin at $30,366. The asset class has a market capitalization of $1.30 trillion. It's been quite some time since Bitcoin's market share was 44.94%. The Crypto Fear and Greed Index was given to you. It's down to a 58 on the greed scale, but that's still rather high. That, however, shouldn't come as much of a surprise, seeing as how Bitcoin dropped to the upper 30s just the other day, dragging XRP down with it. Not something incredibly weighty. On the other hand, I don't find anything here to be all that shocking. The most heartening development is the persistence of XRP popularity across the world, especially in South Korea. I can't claim to have any insight into the why of it. Tell me your best guess as to why XRP has become so popular in South Korea. But XRP is so popular that it recently surpassed Bitcoin in volume on some South Korean exchanges. Just crazy. Just consider this for a second. According to Live Coin Watch, the 24-hour volume of XRP is $891 million, whereas Bitcoin's is $12.94 billion. That's quite a big gap. So, for even one market to see XRP volume surpass Bitcoin is complete insanity. I find it utterly compelling. I was present, and it did take place. However, look at this. Here, then, is the headline once more. XRP is in the forefront. Since the beginning of the year, investors in South Korea have shown tremendous interest in the asset, which is the most widely used alternative currency in the country. While XRP is still widely favored by crypto enthusiasts everywhere, South Korean investors have shown a marked preference for the asset as of late. As a result, XRP has solidified its position as this year's most actively traded asset in South Korea. Kiko, a source of crypto market analysis, has released this information. Kiko just finished an investigation of the most actively traded altcoins on the cryptocurrency exchanges dating back to the year 2023. The analysis included data from a variety of exchanges, such as the 4 largest in Korea and Coinbase. For those interested, XRP is depicted here as the enormous structure at the center of the picture. There are also many additional cryptocurrencies, but the list is organized by trading volume. It's a huge gap. For whatever reason, I entered the cryptocurrency market in 2017, and the sentiment was the same then as it is now. There, XRP's popularity skyrocketed. In fact, you had such high demand that the price differences were noticeable, allowing for some profitable arbitrage. The chasm, though, was wider than you probably anticipated. And it's infamously what prompted Coinbase to hide Korean markets by default. So it looked like it happened in the blink of an eye. It gave the impression that the cost of an additional unit had suddenly dropped. And this occurred around the time XRP was created, near the time that XRP was reaching its highest point ever. We're disappointed that CoinMarketCap behaved in this way. Did I just mention Coinbase? If I did, then I erred in doing so. I referred to CoinMarketCap. But even so, this is just incredible to witness. Coinbase's volume is far lower than shown here. On the left are the 4 major Korean exchanges, and on the right are Coinbase's top 10 alternate cryptocurrencies. The rest of the piece. The data shows that since the beginning of the year, XRP transaction volume on the 4 main exchanges in South Korea has skyrocketed to an estimated $16 billion. The sum is greater than 3 times the combined volumes of Nano and Dogecoin, the coins that come in second and third. The total amount of XRP traded on these exchanges exceeds that of the next 3 assets combined, which puts it in first place. Oh, that's fantastic. I was just stating how XRP trade volume on various exchanges recently surpassed Bitcoin, and now they are bringing up the fact that this happened a month ago. That's why I'm suggesting they are paying attention to the SEC versus Ripple case as we get more information. If they aren't already, I anticipate a complete and total meltdown on their part. Look at the projected amount of business conducted in 2023. It's fantastic, really. I still don't get it, and I'm not sure why. Strong supporter. Undoubtedly a supporter. Oh, and check out this as well. When viewed via the lens of wealth accumulation, this is fascinating material. I think these measures are great. Investors in Korea have shown increased enthusiasm for XRP, while large holders in other markets have persisted in buying the cryptocurrency in the hopes of profiting from a price appreciation should Ripple win its case against the Securities and Exchange Commission. The top 100 whales on the Binance smart contract chain are still holding, according to data from Whale Stats. My apologies. Over 52.6 million XRP coins, with an estimated value of $26.87 million, are stored on the Binance smart chain. Plus, and this is a great statistic because holy accumulation, it's a lot of fun. The number of addresses holding 10,000 XRP tokens or more has more than doubled since the SEC case began, according to data compiled by Coinmetrics, which shows that the number of such addresses was less than 120,000 in December 2020 and is now over 260,000. On the other hand, they use XRP to declare the price before leaving the country. However, as I write this, it is around 52 cents. So they enclose this chart you see on the screen with a small box. In December, the SEC filed an official lawsuit against Ripple. You can probably guess what occurred next. In spite of everything, the price has continued to rise. So, I sympathize with those who, had good reason to be concerned. There is a lot of ambiguity about the future of XRP, so there are real concerns. Then, after a flurry of panic selling, the price of XRP rocketed upwards. It's true that it's now under repressed by artificial means, but that won't be the case forever. People with confidence like myself have clearly been doing what I do, hedging their bets or placing multiple bets. That sums it up nicely. So I was already committed to this wager before this happened. My wager remained the same. Many investors, however, have begun buying in advance of what they hope would be a dramatic rise in value. Unless something unexpected happens, I see a bright future for Ripple if the SEC versus Ripple lawsuit is resolved. I'm not going to act like there's no danger here. The stakes are high. Oh, but quite a few actually. For the length of this Rebel case, I have been emphasizing for over 2 years. I think this will go far further than I expected. This is why I keep stressing that this is the crypto industry's biggest open secret. If all goes well, that cushion will be priceless. And I have faith that they will. I'm not interested in reading the other 2 pieces, but there are a few points I'd want to bring up, some of which I've already discussed on the channel. It's good to see that this issue is being discussed. Experts predict major market shifts once XRP is classified as non-security, which is today's article. Furthermore, they forwarded a message from a Twitter analyst identified as Tree of Alpha. And that's something I wrote about myself not too long ago, actually. But he added that a good settlement to the Ripple case would be the best conceivable news you could hope for right now as a crypto trader. I'm sad to say that if it becomes public knowledge that XRP as it currently exists is not a security, we will very certainly burn it along with the other top 300 cryptocurrencies. That seems about correct to me. While this could be good news for other alternative cryptocurrencies, XRP stands to benefit the most as the only coin with this level of legal certainty. And then for the rest of them, well, yeah, I guess there could be some suspicions and expectations that the rest of them would, if they get attacked by the SEC, they'd be able to effectively fend off the SEC. That's the logic, at least. Shouldn't we also observe a rise in the value of other alternative cryptocurrencies? But let's be honest, XRP is where it's at in the end. Furthermore, a prominent economist has predicted that XRP is about to explode in popularity. They're speaking of Henrik Zeberg, a macroeconomist, who predicted the imminent success of crypto in a paper he penned. And he included XRP in his list of hashtags. One may say that is the world's most widely known secret. The day has come where we are on the precipice of witnessing this for real. So, every morning when I first open my eyes, I wonder, is today the day? When I go into social media or crypto media, will I be able to read the latest news? Friends, it's only a question of time. It has arrived. No, I don't give out financial advice. Nothing I say or write should be used as a basis for making financial decisions. Please like and subscribe my channel. See you in the next video. Bye.